I'm talking about you. The part you play in my life. The part I want you to play in my life.
And what exactly is that, Rich? Friend? Sometimes therapist?
Wife. I want you to be my wife, Taylor. Tonight, Doc. I want my answer tonight.
It takes a boat to get us there?
Faster than swimming.
What is this place? What are we going to do when we get there?
You'll love it.
I don't know.
Well, I do. You'll love it. Take the rope. Something, isn't it?
Oh, my gosh, it's stunning. Is there anyone here besides us?
Nope, it's our own little island.
Chris, why did you bring me here?
Why else would you come to a deserted island? To hunt for hidden treasure. Come on. Where would they put it?
They?
The pirates. Do you know anything?
Ah, that's right. Those darn pirates.
This is where they used to hang out. They'd hide in these islands here and wait for the Spanish galleons loaded with gold from Mexico. And when they sailed by on the way back to Spain, bam, the pirates would hit them hard, kill the crew, and take all the gold.
Well, you know, they really did bury that gold around here.
What? You know this looks like the tree? Look, the white coconut.
What are you doing?
Well, it's not gold, but it's a start. 1948. This stuff's been here a long time.
This is fun, you clever man, you.
Nothing to do with me, ma'am. It's those bloody pirates.
Uh-oh, I forgot about those pirates. They might just steal our boat, you know?
Ooh, you're right. We'd be stranded then, wouldn't we?
Scary thought.
Is it?
Maybe not that scary.
we go around this corner. Yeah, this is it. Has to be.
This is what?
Here. We may have to engage the enemy here.
I don't believe this.
Some booty, huh? Better dig in before they get back. Come on.
Forrester, I only have one question. How is a girl supposed to react to all of this?
By being hungry.
I shouldn't have asked.
Here, try one of these.
What is that?
Local medicine man tells me that it's natural aphrodisiac. Here, try some more.
No, thank you.
You hear that? Distant drums?
Oh, no. We're about to be captured and thrown into giant stewing pots.
Better than that. Come on. Wait a minute. Come on.
What in the world?
Are we having fun yet?
Are we ever going to stop having fun?
Oh, we'll have our moments.
Really?
Life isn't always going to be a treasure hunt, is it?
Why, Rich Forrester, how refreshingly mature. You almost sound like a man who's ready to settle down.
That bad, huh?
That good.
One more treasure. Okay. The map says we are here. And X marks the spot right over there.
So we're by that tree. Should be right here. X marks the spot.
Ooh. Careless pirate must have left it behind. Put it on.
Ew.
You never answered me before.
What about?
No jokes now, dear.
I don't remember.
Yes, you do remember.
Maybe you should ask me again and refresh my memory.
I said, I want you to be my wife.
You want to marry me?
Yes. I want to marry you, and I won't take no for an answer.
I never said no.
All right, so you're telling me the answer is yes, then?
If my answer were yes, I would say yes.
Then what are you saying?
Tell me why you want to marry me.
Isn't the answer obvious?
I want to hear the words, Ridge.
I love you, Doctor.
I want to hear that again.
I love
And you want me?
you. And I want you.
And I'm the most important woman in your life?
You are the most important woman in my life.
No, the only woman.
The only woman.
You want my answer?
Yes. I want your answer.
My answer is yes, Ridge. I want so much to marry you.